In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix stick drift on your PS5 controller temporarily. Now when it comes to fully fixing it, you're gonna have to actually take it apart. But I'm assuming you don't want to do that, so I'm gonna show you a quick fix. Now the first trick I'm gonna be showing you involves moving the analog sticks. And let me just show you what to do. So, grab your controller, and the first thing we're gonna do is move the analog sticks counterclockwise at the very least 3 times, ensuring that the analog sticks are going all the way to the border. Now once you've done that, we're gonna go clockwise. And the entire purpose of doing this is an attempt to get any dirt or debris that may be causing your stick drift to fall inside the controller. Hence why this is a temporary fix and it doesn't fix the overall problem. Now once you've done a few rotations both ways, I want you to press down fully and just give this a couple seconds. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing, but also pushing down on the analog sticks. So we did the initial rotations in order to move the debris a little bit, and now we're gonna push down on the analog sticks, and let's do it again. Again, trying to make sure any dirt or debris that may be inside the analog to move down a little bit inside the controller. So we've done that, and now we're gonna do the opposite way as well. Give this a couple times. In addition to that, if you wanted to pull up your analog sticks and actually blow into the space that's created when you're doing that, that can also help. Similar to an N64 cartridge, where you blow into it to try and remove any dirt or debris in an attempt to make it to work. So those are my 2 tips. Hopefully it was helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.